All right, uphill, no problem. Woo! What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Timers. We got myself, Hiro.
You got Alvin.
Got Alvin.
Your superstars of the show.
Superstars of the show. So, an exciting day today, guys.
A super exciting day.
We got my Specialized Rockhopper 2012, and below us, the Bafang BBSHD 1000-watt motor kit.
Yes,
e-bike
Hiro
motor
is
kit.
super excited. Now, if you guys haven't seen Hiro pretty much when we went and picked up his mountain bike,
Yep.
Definitely go check out that video in the upper right-hand corner.
It's a vlog style.
Yeah, so we're very, very, very excited. This kit, obviously we've done one before, so that's actually very exciting. We'll also put that video up in the upper right hand corner of us doing kind of the unboxing, so you guys can go and check that out.
Yep.
But overall, this is a little different from mine, just at the battery level. So the battery is one step below mine. I have the Jumbo Whale, where Hiro is going to be doing Jumbo Shark. Sorry,
Jumbo Shark.
Jumbo
Yeah.
Shark.
I got the Mini Shark.
And he has the Mini Shark, so it's one step below mine.
The reason because
It's a small bike.
small, yeah, the frame here doesn't allow for the jumbo
Yeah.
battery to fit. So that is something that you have to consider when you're looking at bikes and if you're considering the Bafang kit.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is a small frame, so you are kind of limited.
Yeah, I mean, again, the battery, it's a pretty big battery. It's
Yeah.
At least it's not the, was it that other one, the Slim Mini or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's getting pretty much the most power that he can out of this.
Yep.
And having the battery designed in the center and the motor at the bottom, it should allow for it to be weighted pretty properly.
Down low.
Down low, and he also doesn't have a rear shock, so
Yep.
that's actually
Hardtail.
it's a hardtail. So that's actually going to be really cool. But in this video, we're going to be doing some stuff a little different that we didn't do in our pretty much in our setup of the Giant, and that's going to be we're going to be using thread Loctite red in some spots. We're going to be using some hose clamps, and there's a tool that I did not buy last time. Hiro bought it, and we're going to pretty much show you guys what we're going to be doing with all this stuff in the next few scenes. So anyway,
Yeah.
let's do this.
Ooh, let's start. Yeah. So we took the wheels off just so we have space to work, and we're going to be removing this crank here to put the Bafang motor on, and we have the clamps to secure the motor in this location. These guys right here, and yeah, it's pretty much ready. We're about to install it right now.
All right, guys. So if you notice, we actually had to drill a little slit here just to get the battery to kind of fit in properly. So the battery obviously does fit in here, but we did have to actually drill 2 holes to make like our own little slit in between the slits here, which kind of, it wasn't a bummer, but it was just one of those things that needed to happen.
Yep.
But we can definitely get the battery in, but we just thought we'd let you know because that's something that we didn't have to do last time. But again, this is a small bike, something that quick and easy, definitely doesn't hurt us. So anyway.
But
Boom.
if you guys are worried about returning products, I'm pretty sure this would void the return. So keep that in mind.
I don't even think they allow returns.
Oh really? Oh, I don't even know if they allow returns, but I'm just saying, keep that in mind. I'm not trying to return this, and this is going on my bike tonight, so I don't care about hacking that. So all right. So we learned our lesson on Alvin's Bafang. We're doing this first, so now it's already secure before even doing this guy right now. So we wanted to take that and route all the cables out of the way first, and then now we're gonna mount it, because what we noticed before was we mounted this and then we had to take it off because we wanted to reroute the wires and everything. So we learned our lesson the first time and making it look nice this time. Ooh. Fitting right. Yeah. What we didn't have also on Alvin's kit when we were doing his was this wrench here. This end is for the cap, which will end up going on top of here, but this side, what we did before was we were hammering around with a flat blade and a hammer, but this is the proper tool to do the job. All right, that's tight. That's about 6 inch-pounds.
This guy over here. Look at that smile, guys. That's an
e-bike
smile.
Grin.
Yeah.
It's the e-bike grin.
Hiro just knows already.
E-bike grin.
He's like, yep.
Might need to zip tie this.
Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, I just wanted to get that all tightened.
That is tight. Look at that. It is on there. I'm gonna be able to do wheelies.
Yeah, Hiro just wants to do wheelies.
Yeah. Here we go.
Guys, it is looking complete, looking amazing. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, brand new. Hiro peeled that off without even showing you guys.
Oh yeah.
Didn't even see that.
Hey, I left this one on there. I'm gonna leave this on there for now.
That on mine too.
Yeah, but the only thing that we didn't, the only thing we didn't install was the brake sensor for hydraulic lines.
Yep.
There's some, I mean, it just didn't work the way that they were designing it or intending for it to work.
Yeah, and these you barely tap these and the brake's already engaging, so the magnet did not move away from the sensor.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how it rides.
Yeah, so the point of that is, so when you tap on the brakes, it's supposed to disconnect the motor so it doesn't keep going.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that, you know, since it's pedal assist, as soon as you pedal, it kicks in the motor. So I'm gonna stop pedaling while braking and see if that works.
And turn down the level.
Turn down the level. Turn down the level to like level 1 or 0. So that way, in case I accidentally hit the pedal or accidentally hit the throttle, it won't jump forward. Yeah. So it might be something that I have to just get used to, because whatever. It's something that I can get used to. Yeah.
But yeah, we are excited, guys. So we'll probably go for a ride tomorrow. It'll be daylight again. Right now it's dark here, but yeah, in a few minutes you'll see it, guys. So we're gonna take it out and see its first maiden voyage. It's 9 o'clock right now, so it's a little late, but yeah, you know. But anyway, guys, we'll see you in a second.
All right, uphill, no problem. Oh, being a hardtail, it's bouncy on the seat. The footage might be shaky. Oh, but uphill, what? What uphill? Woo, look, we are on a hill, and that's what we have surrounding us.
Yep, not even breaking a sweat yet.
We're gonna go over there. But anyways,
he'll go over there.
Exactly.
Wherever.
The mountains are ours. The mountain's ours. So that's just the taste of what the e-bikes have to offer. I mean, we can literally just point at a hill and say, let's go there. And that's awesome. I mean, seriously, like, we can literally explore and not really have to worry about using too much energy. The e-bike is, or at least both of ours right now, the Bafangs, really good. I'm loving it, really loving it. So yeah, so if you guys want to watch the full episode of this ride, it's going to be on our First Timers channel next week. So yeah, this is going to end it for our First Timers channel.
Guys, it's going to be a little single track right now.
Yeah, we're about to enjoy this little single track here. So woo, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.